Harriet Tubman. Harriet Tubman was born in the early 1820s in Maryland. She and her family were slaves. They were not free to choose their jobs or homes. Slaves had to work hard. Harriet started working when she was about 6 years old. She cleaned the house and worked in the fields. Most slaves lived in the southern United States. Slavery was against the law in the northern United States. Some slaves tried to escape to the north. Harriet escaped in 1849. She traveled to Philadelphia and became free. But Harriet worried about her family and friends. She wanted to help them escape. Harriet became part of the Underground Railroad. Escaping slaves used this system of safe houses. They secretly traveled from one house to another. Harriet helped many slaves escape during the 1850s. She led about 300 people along the Underground Railroad. Her work was dangerous. The North and South fought the Civil War from 1861 to 1865. Harriet was a cook, a nurse, and a scout for the North. The North won the war. Slavery became against the law in all states. Harriet moved to New York. She wanted to help Black people who were now free. She welcomed them into her home. She raised money to build schools for Black children. Harriet Tubman died in 1913. People remember her for helping many slaves escape to freedom. They also remember her for helping freed slaves live better lives.